How to make money? There are many ways to make money, and the best option for you will depend on your skills, interests, and circumstances. Here are a few ideas to consider. Number 1. Start a business. If you have a great idea for a product or service, starting your own business can be a lucrative way to make money. You'll need to put in a lot of hard work and dedication, but Number 2. Find a job. Look for job openings in your field of expertise, or consider taking on freelance work or temporary positions to get your foot in the door. Number 3. Invest in the stock market. If you have some money saved up, you can invest it in the stock market and potentially earn a return on your investment. Number 4. Rent out a room. If you have extra space in your home, consider renting out a room on Airbnb or a similar platform. Number 5. Sell your stuff. Got some stuff you no longer need or use? Consider selling it online through platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Number 6. Offer your services. If you have a particular skill or talent, consider offering your services as a freelancer or consultant. This could be anything from writing and editing to graphic design or social media management. Remember, it's important to be realistic about your goals and abilities, and to be willing to put in the time and effort to achieve your financial goals. Side hustle to make money in 2023. Here are a few ideas for side hustles that you can consider starting in 2023. Number 1. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing and a particular subject you are knowledgeable about, consider starting a blog. You can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Number 2. E-commerce. If you enjoy creating products or sourcing unique items to sell, consider starting an online store. You can sell your products through platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or your own e-commerce website. Number 3. Social media consulting. If you have a large following on social media and know how to effectively use social media platforms to reach and engage with an audience, you can offer your services as a social media consultant. Number 4. Virtual assisting. If you have strong organizational and communication skills, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant to help small businesses and entrepreneurs with tasks like scheduling, email management, and research. Number 5. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals and have some free time, you can offer pet sitting or dog walking services to busy pet owners in your area. Number 6. Tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring or teaching services to students in your area or online. Remember to do your research and carefully consider your skills and interests before starting a side hustle. It's also a good idea to create a business plan and set clear goals for your side hustle to increase your chances of success.